Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're going to go through this automatic gearbox. Now you may get the warning on there as well. Reality is, if you are getting it and if it's coming up with this fault code B116229 Selector, lever, park position, lock, switch, range, performance, I'm not going to rip this open. This is just going to be a little tutorial as to where you can sort this out. So the part you find online, OEM, has to be no question. eBay, few quid, not end of the world, probably 20-30 quid, if that, not even that. Order it. It's located underneath here. I'm not going to strip this car open. This is just the guidance. It's located in here. Once you buy the part, I'm sure you will know how it looks once you rip this open. There are a few trims. I'd just be careful so you don't crack them. Rip it open. It's literally a case of plug and play. Once you do that, you can erase the fault code, but this should also eliminate any warning on the dash as well. And this is a diagram of what the part looks like. Your car may be different, so double check before ordering and make sure you get the same part number. My recommendation would be either ring dealership, get the part number, which they don't really give you part numbers. If they do, they do. If not, rip yours open, get the part number, and then order it in that, and then hopefully it should be fine.